Have you ever seen a scary tapping peeper or a serial killer bowl? In this video, we will look at some coolest Halloween gadgets that are worth buying. Links with the prices are in the description below. Let's get spooky. Number 1. Serial Killer Bowl. This serial killer bowl is more fun than spooky. This large bowl can hold soup, salad, dessert, or fruit. This spoon is made of quality stainless steel. It's ideal for a teaspoon, snack spoon, soup spoon, coffee stirring spoon, and more. This gift kit is suitable for most people, especially cereal lovers. This spoon comes with a skull and bloody design, set of 2 tableware for breakfast in 1 box. Number 2. Pumpkin Carving Kit. It's bring your jack-o'-lantern to life with this pumpkin carver kit. Create realistic teeth, hair, nose, and eyes. Each pumpkin carving bundle consists of 8 pieces that include saws, knives, pokers, scoops, and more in a reusable carrying case. Show off your Halloween pumpkin carving designs when you host your party. Use these carving tools for pumpkins with adult supervision. Get creative this holiday season with these cool pumpkin carving tools. Number 3. Skull Spoons. These scary skull spoons are made of high-grade stainless steel, so they're very strong and durable, not easy to bend, anti-corrosion, and anti-rust. It's an ideal gift for Halloween. They're suitable for mixing drinks like iced tea, iced coffee, and milkshakes. These stainless steel spoons are mirror polished and no sharp edges. They are safe and convenient to put them in the dishwasher and will always remain shiny. The openings for eyes and nose make it easy to shake off excess sugar to curb your sugar consumption. These spoons are good for tea and coffee stirring. They can also be used as dessert spoons. They're also great for spoon collectors who are obsessed with skulls. Number 4. Flashing light gloves. These gloves are super bright and easy to use. Battery operated with 3 colors in 6 different modes. Mitten is made of cotton that stretches to fit kids in teen size. Soft changing lights soothe this stimulation and will fascinate children with sensory disorders. Year-round use made of lightweight cotton that's warm in winter and light enough for summer nights. Children will have fun using them as camping flashlights or take them outside for a flashy game of football or lighted frisbee. Keeps little hands warm trick or treating and provides nighttime safety for walking and biking. The small size is perfect for stocking stuffers, and the glowing lights will make Christmas even more special. It's a unique gift idea, perfect when you don't know what to give because kids love all things that light up. Number 5. Gracula Garlic Crusher. Got some garlic that needs crushing? Don't worry, Gracula Garlic Crusher is here. Say goodbye to spending tedious hours in the kitchen with the cool Gracula on hand. This admirable garlic press is not only a real lifesaver, but also makes for an eye-catching kitchen decor. It's made from sturdy plastics, so built to last, and a great addition to your fun kitchen gadgets. Sink your teeth to tasty garlicky meals with the help of this bloody awesome buddy. The garlic crusher makes meal prep quick and easy. By simply pressing, crushing, and mincing, you can control the results with your own hands. It is not only useful for garlic, but also works very well for other ingredients too. Minced ginger, crushed nuts, herbs, and many more spices. Just open the tool, pop in the clove, close it, push them together in 2 opposite directions. And voila! Garlic minced to perfection. If you're looking for Halloween gift, then this item is worth every penny. Number 6. Fake Cobwebs. You can now create real-looking spider webs with this webcaster gun and 1 pound of webcaster cobwebbing sticks. This is the superior choice for spider webs when compared to the fake stretchable cobwebs that are out there. These webcaster sticks are made exclusively for the webcaster gun. They are designed to glow under black light, which is kinda spooky. They are so vibrant under a black light. Many people will be caught off guard by your webbing. This should be on your list of spider web party supplies since they appear so real, and a 1 pound of sticks is enough for 1,000 square feet. Number 8. Scary Tapping Peeper. If you're looking for the ultimate scary decoration this Halloween season that will scare the pants off of kids who come up to your home or your own kids, nothing compares quite like Scary Peepers. This scary face hangs to any flat surface and has a motion detection, so when unexpected people pass by, it will tap on the window or wall where it is hanging. This is sure to scare anyone that passes by and makes the perfect super creepy Halloween decoration for any occasion. Number 9. Animatronic Skeleton. This skeleton animatronic will send a chill down your spine this Halloween season. It has a combination of 6 different motors to move the different parts of its body, including his arms, torso, head, and eyes. The movements are programmed to turn side to side, tilt left and right, and nod up and down, all while creating lifelike complex movements. Even the eyes move in a scary motion that turn up, down, and from side to side. This decoration is spooky and fun. Number 10. Halloween Doorbell. What is the first thing children come into contact with when going out trick or treating? It's the doorbell, right? So then why not make the doorbell worth remembering? This is a must-have to add to your Halloween decor. When a trick or treater walks up and presses the button on the doorbell, a spooky green eye will light up and turn around while making scary sounds. The animations are very smooth and look awesome. When it's super dark, this thing really shines bright. It has a mounting hole on the back for easy installation and one button push for endless fun. Number 11. Smoke Machine. Imagine you open the door and a lot of fog is coming out and you're dressed as a witch. Well, it'll freak some people out, and this machine can help you do just that. The Halloween Fog Machine has a large 300 milliliter tank and is simple to use. This fog machine can quickly cover a small space, with fog turning a simple device into a terrifying prop along with lights that can be controlled by a remote. You can rapidly switch between colors or settings to make sure your Halloween fun never quits, producing the best effects for trick or treaters. This is great for parties, celebrations, and weddings all year. Number 12. Halloween String Lights. Here's a string of warm orange Halloween decoration lights in the shape of charming little pumpkins with 3D design. These will really dress up your porch, front path, or yard perfectly. There are 20 LEDs on a well-made cord that is 9.8 feet. These are really great since they do not require a plug. They can be used anywhere and for any purpose. This is definitely a cute and not so spooky addition to your Halloween decor. Number 13. Animated Zombie Housemaid. You can't complete any Halloween collection without a scary zombie added in the mix. These blood-curdling creatures are sure to terrify any trick or treaters, co-workers, or customers. She wears her old uniform complete with an apron and bonnet. Don't be fooled, though she isn't here to clean on this holiday. Ruby has a different job to do. She chuckles heavily as her eyes light up an ominous bright red and moves around while making spooky sounds. We hope you enjoyed these cool Halloween gadgets. If you did, please give us a like and don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Have a safe and happy Halloween, and we'll see you in the next one.